This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check oxygen levels in confined spaces. Confined spaces pose significant risks, and understanding atmospheric conditions is crucial for safety. We'll cover essential steps to ensure a safe working environment. Remember, proper preparation and the right equipment are your first lines of defense against unseen hazards. Let's dive into the specifics of monitoring these critical environments. Choosing the correct equipment is paramount for accurate readings. You'll need a multi-gas detector, specifically designed to measure oxygen, combustible gases, and common toxic gases like carbon monoxide and hydrogen sulfide. Before every use, it's vital to calibrate your device and perform a bump test. This ensures the sensors are responsive and the alarms are fully functional, providing reliable data for your safety decisions. Once your equipment is ready, the monitoring process begins. Carefully lower the gas detector into the confined space, sampling the atmosphere at the top, middle, and bottom. This helps identify any stratification of gases. Oxygen levels must remain within a safe range, specifically between 19.5% and 23.5%. Continuous monitoring is absolutely essential throughout the entire duration of the work. Interpreting your readings correctly and acting swiftly is critical. If oxygen levels drop below 19.5% or rise above 23.5%, immediate evacuation is mandatory. Do not re-enter until the hazard has been identified and eliminated, and the space has been thoroughly ventilated. Always reevaluate the atmosphere after ventilation to confirm safe conditions before allowing any re-entry. Your safety depends on these crucial steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.